In this video, I'm going to share with you some words and phrases that you can use to describe the cold weather. You're going to find these particularly useful at this time of the year. So let's get on with it. The Irish for cold is fuair, and colder is níos fuair, and coldest is fuair. Tá sé fuair. It is cold or it is chilly. Tá sé fuair. Tháinig an aimsir uair ash. The cold weather is back. Tháinig an aimsir uair ash. Tá sé ag éirí níos fuaire. It is getting colder. Tá sé ag éirí níos fuaire. An áit is fuaire fud an domhan. The coldest place in the world. An áit is fuaire fud an domhan. Fuacht is another word to describe cold. Fuacht. Ní maith liom an fuacht. I don't like the cold. Ní maith liom an fuacht. Bhí sí cruith leis an bhuacht. She was shivering with the cold. Bhí sí cruith leis an bhuacht. Ní féidir liom an fuacht a ullingcht. I can't stand the cold, or literally it means I'm not able to suffer the cold. Ní féidir liom an fuacht a ullingcht. Praíochta is another great word. This means freezing. Praíochta. Bhí mar praíochta leis an bhuacht. We were freezing with the cold. Bhí mar praíochta leis an bhuacht. So if you enjoyed this, please hit that like button, and I'll be back next week with a new video. So until then, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Slán go fóill.